I'm shocked and I'm really happy. What can I say? The response that you guys showed me in the last video was really amazing. I was just going through a couple of comments. I mean, there are a lot of comments because of the giveaway, but either ways I tried to go through a lot of them, and I could see a lot of you guys who were genuinely very happy for me to get those sneakers and have been supporting me in my pursuit to achieve my top 5 sneakers. So yeah, like I said, I'm extremely happy and thankful to you guys. So yeah, that video is currently at about 2700 likes at the time of shooting this video, and probably will be way over 3000 likes by the time you're watching it. So yes, we are going to be giving away a pair of Jordan 1 KOs, but regardless, to be honest, I would have given it away any which ways, even if it did not hit 3000 likes, because I loved the support that you guys showed on that. Also, apart from that, we will be picking up 5 winners for the Cube ACO sneakers bot or tool, however you call it. So if you haven't checked that video out, then go check it here. It basically helps you increase your chances to cop some sneakers on retail. So yeah, we'll be picking up 5 winners for that, and they will get monthly access to the tool to try it out and see how it works for them. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I am back with another video. We don't have anything very special to do today, but we do have something important to talk about, which is of relevance to a lot of you guys. We're going to be talking about a small trick that Harsh used in the past couple of days or weeks or months whenever the Yeezy slides had released, and we're going to share it with you how he was able to cop it on retail. But before we get started with today's video, there is another update about my top 5 sneakers. So basically I had placed a bid on StockX for one of those sneakers, and to my surprise, it got kinda accepted at a very good price. But I'm just controlling and not getting happy as yet, because I want that sneakers to first reach StockX, get verified, ship it out to me, and then we will probably celebrate. But if all goes well, then yes, we have the second sneaker in the top 5 collection coming soon to us. So we will be taking a look at that. If you can by any chance, go and do your research on StockX in my size, if you guys know, and see and guess what sneaker I must have bought, and comment down below and let me know if you can guess it. Here is Harsh. Can you please come in the light? So Harsh, do you have a big surprise today for my audience, our audience? Are you going to help people get Yeezy slides on retail for 5,000 rupees only?
First of all, that is not a trick.
It is a trick, na? See, if you use anything other than the normal way of buying it, it is a trick. So it is a tip and a trick that we are going to give today. This is not a clickbait, okay? It is actually a tip and a trick. And also, by the way, अपने को वो giveaway देना है Jordan 1 KO का, तो तू आज winner choose करने के मूड में है कि नहीं है?
मैं तो नहीं हूँ।
क्यों? क्या हो गया?
क्योंकि गिव अवे का विनर मैं चूज कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
और मुझे किसी ने फॉलो नहीं किया उस वीडियो में।
ये कैसे हो गया? तो didn't we say in the video to follow you also?
वैक्स ने कट कर दिया।
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Alright guys, so we'll do one thing. We'll pick the 5 winners for Cube ACO today, and Jordan 1 KO we will keep for the next video because of the legend Rahul Waghela, or Rags as you guys know him, my editor, cut the line out where we asked you to kindly follow Harsh also and show him some love on Instagram. So Harsh is kinda upset now, so if you like him, then you can follow him, you can check out his Instagram, and then he will choose a winner in the next video for the Jordan 1 KO Chicago colorway. Now is it okay, Harsh?
All good.
So you will announce the winner next time? Acha, what if still no one follows you, then what to do?
भी देना पड़ेगा क्या कर सकते हैं?
चलो ठीक है यार, कर देना, फॉलो कर देना. फॉलो हर्ष, शेयर इज इंस्टाग्राम, एंड वी विल पिक द विनर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अरे हर्ष, एक मिनट इधर ना.
क्या?
Either. By the way, we are headed out for a bit. Like I said, we don't do time pass. We only go for essentials things. So we are going to my doctor. I had a follow up once again for some things, and Harsh wanted to also discuss a couple of things. So we are heading out to the doctor. So basically, the point is, tell me something, Harsh. Which of these sneakers should I wear today? All of them are new. I've not got a chance to wear. We've just taken outfit photos. Should I wear Travis 6 or should I wear uniforms?
Obviously.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So basically, we bought a couple of sneakers, but you know how the situation is going on. I'm not really getting to wear these new sneakers. I'm really excited to wear. University 4 blues I actually wore for the outfit pick down in the building, but Travis Scott 6s I haven't worn at all because I took a fit pick at home. So I think I'm going to wear these today. What do you say?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you wearing, by the way?
I'm wearing my new slides.
Ah, your new slides. Alright, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to quickly head out to the doctor and come back in a bit, and then we will talk about the slides and we will share his experience with you so that it can help you in getting some slides on retail. देख ब्रो, अभी सबका एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ गया है। अगर तू बराबर टिप्स एंड ट्रिक नहीं देगा तो
आप बढ़ा रहे
देखो
हो।
फॉलोअर तो छोड़ दे, जूते पड़ेंगे जूते इंस्टाग्राम पे।
और मैं बोल रहा हूँ इट्स नॉट अ ट्रिक।
इट इज अ टिप एंड अ ट्रिक, आई एक्सप्लेन यू ना हाउ।
तो आप एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ा रहे हो, मैं नहीं बढ़ा रहा हूँ।
तो अभी जो भी है, अभी तू देख ले, अब तू टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स बराबर देना, नहीं तो फॉलोअर तो छोड़ दे तो अनफॉलो हो जाएंगे सब। अभी कितने हैं तेरे फॉलोअर्स?
2000 समथिंग।
हाँ, तो मेरे को लगता है 0 हो जाएंगे अगर तूने बराबर सेंड नहीं किया तो।
वो आपको ब्लेम करूंगा मैं उसके।
ओहो, आज तो फुल कान्ये मैच लग रहा है। अरे इजी स्लाइस बना ना।
हाँ, तो
अच्छा उतार अभी, चल सबको पता तेरी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स क्या है।
so these are the easy slides guys and I copied this on Super Kicks.
एक मिनट, सॉरी।
Yeah, so there's no trick basically, but when these bad boys dropped on
बैड बॉयज, ओहो क्या बात है।
so basically क्या हुआ था उस दिन?
क्या हुआ था मुझे क्या पता, तू बता ना।
हाँ,
सुपर किक्स पे आया था, फिर लोड नहीं हो रहा था, समथिंग लाइक
So
दैट।
basically, people were trying to copy these on retail, but उस दिन जो उनकी वेबसाइट थी, so on that the developer or the guy who works on the website, he put a wrong link.
अरे यार स्लाइड तो ऊपर पकड़, थोड़ी दिख भी नहीं रही है, ऐसा पकड़ना, ऐसा ऐसा ऐसे पकड़ना नहीं आता क्या, ऐसा?
So उनके जो developer है उसने गलत लिंक डाली थी.
ओके
So it was redirecting to a easy 700 Bright Blue or something.
ओके।
So you know usually ऊपर का जो URL होता है वो मैंने देखा.
Okay.
And I thought कि यार ये easy 700 की जगह easy slide डाल के देखता हूँ.
Okay.
जैसे डाला तो ये आ गया.
So the page opened up with the slides loaded.
Yeah.
So you selected a size and checked out and you got it. So basically people were waiting for the correct link to be updated, but you put the custom link, try करके,
हाँ.
and वो खुल गया.
Basically, I just guessed the link and
Okay.
it worked.
Okay, you just guessed the link, you changed it in the URL section.
Yeah.
It loaded, it opened, you selected the size and हो गया.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे दिख रहा था कि easy slide है ऐसा.
Easy slide है सब.
So all sizes and everything.
Yeah.
Oh my god, seriously? So basically that was the tip and trick that we were talking about. That is a trick now, do you agree?
What?
See, there are people now, see at least now what will happen is if it is not loading, these people listening to you can probably try that method, you know, change the link to the product, or since you're going to be following Harsh any which ways, then you can DM him and probably before every drop you can try and give them some estimates of what link you should be trying and what you should be editing, and maybe you could be successful in backdooring, like you guys keep complaining that everything is backdoored. So why not try something and backdoor it yourself as well? I'm just joking, by the way. There is no backdooring. Don't talk nonsense,
अभी
okay?
अगर Super Kicks का Visual से कोई देखेगा तो they will change the entire thing.
No, they will not change it. No, अभी उनका अगर link late drop हो रहा है, and if someone is it's just like using, it's like using early links.
Also,
ना,
Visual Match पे जो हो रहा है from last 3-4 drops, कि everything is getting sold out 2 minutes prior to the release.
But I think that is a glitch, bro. ऐसा.
That is not a
early
glitch.
links here.
Early links here, so I think people have the links beforehand. of the
Yeah,
actual
so
drop.
but that we cannot blame the brands themselves,
No, we cannot
because
blame the brands, obviously.
like you know, the early links work in Nike sneakers also, so there must be people who are smart and who have been
They're circulating
generating
the,
they must be generating the early links, using it between friends and trying to cop things before they drop, and then for us in general it looks like it has been backdoor or it never dropped, but it's not really like that. People are using bots, people are using tools, they are creating something or the other, some method to go through it. That doesn't mean the brands are at fault. Any which ways, that's not what we are discussing today. Again, any which ways. यार ये any which ways बोलना बंद करना, मेरे को लोग टैग करने लगे कमेंट्स में. ये सेकंड पे करण ने any which ways बोला. Anyways,
बंद कर दो, फिर
अच्छा, sorry. So yeah, that was about the easy slides. That is how we know. Sorry, he copped it. I bought mine, the core colorway on resale for about 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees. I don't remember. It's from Main Street. You know, if I need something, Main Street is the plug. I don't really need to pay. Everything is for free for me. You can ask them how you can join that club and get everything for free. Alright, so that's all from us for today. This was a very short and simple random vlog because I thought maybe after the last video and so much of engagement in that video, I thought it's better to just have a general video with you guys and talk about things instead of just doing unboxing back to back and guides and telling you about things. So we just thought this is a nice little thing to discuss with you guys, and that is why I made this video today. Anyways, I'll be back in the next video. Probably we'll be discussing and taking a look. Bro, your slides are doing puch. Can I please record?
मैं क्या
You
करूँ?
stop walking or stop doing कुछ पूछ. Don't walk यार, remove it. अरे भाई खत्म करने देना वीडियो. तो खड़े रहे 1 मिनट उधर ही. So I'll be back in the next video. We'll be discussing about the upcoming sneaker releases for the month of June. So stay tuned. Don't DM me asking about each sneaker. There will be an update. Don't worry. I will share with you whatever I can. And yeah, that's all for today. If you're watching till here, do not forget to like this video. Go follow Harsh and me. Obviously, if you don't follow me, there's no point in following him. So yeah. Go and follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next week since Harsh is here. So we'll see you next week in the next video. Next week नहीं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं सब गिरी हो गई यार. ए बीप कर देना next week नहीं next video आज क्या day है? Alright, so it's Wednesday today while shooting. So no, Tuesday. This video is on Wednesday while you're watching. So I'll see you next on Friday or Saturday. Little bit off schedule. So yeah, that's all for today. Let's end it here. Peace.